The back layer of the eye is called retina. The retina works like film of the camera, capturing light and sending it to the brain, which helps us to see clearly. Sometimes there can be problems in the retina or gel inside the eye called vitreous, such as bleeding, swelling, or retinal detachment. If these problems are not treated on time, it can lead to vision loss and even permanent blindness. And that's why we are telling you about some retinal procedures that help in protecting and improving your vision. So first is laser photocoagulation. Actually, there are many retinal diseases that can be treated with laser. In simple words, whenever the retina is damaged, retinal laser helps repair those areas. This laser is green in color and is done in different ways depending on the condition. The most common type is pan-retinal photocoagulation or PRP, which is usually done in cases of severe diabetic retinopathy or vein occlusion. This means when a large area of retina is damaged, the doctor performs laser all around the retina to repair it. The second type is barrage laser, which is done in cases like retinal holes or retinal tear. It works like stitching or sealing the hole in the retina so that it doesn't lead to retinal detachment. The third type is focal laser, which is applied to a specific affected area of the retina. It is used in conditions like early diabetic retinopathy or branch vein occlusion. After this procedure, no major precaution or extra medicines are required. The cost per sitting is around 3,000 per eye. Second is intravitreal injection. Sometimes the retina develops swelling, bleeding, or inflammation, which can severely affect the vision. In this procedure, a small injection is used to deliver the medicine directly into the retina. There are two main categories of injections: steroid injection or anti-VEGF injection. Coming to anti-VEGF injection, anti-VEGF stands for anti-vascular endothelium growth factor. These injections block a chemical substance in the retina that causes swelling and abnormal blood vessel growth. By blocking this substance, the injection helps reduce leakage and improves vision. There are mainly three common anti-VEGF injections. First is Avastin, the most affordable anti-VEGF injection. It helps reduce swelling and fluid leakage in the retina. Approximate cost is 10,000 per injection. Second is ranibizumab, very effective in retinal diseases, especially ARMD and diabetic macular swelling. Approximate cost is 25,000 per injection. Third is Eylea or aflibercept, the most premium anti-VEGF injection which controls leakage and abnormal vessels most effectively. Approximate cost is 65,000 per injection. It is usually recommended in severe or resistant cases where other injections do not work effectively. Some newer anti-VEGF injections include pejaptinib or Pegenex and Beovu, which are currently used less frequently. Coming to the steroid injections are used when there is a swelling in the retina without much bleeding. They help reduce inflammation and improve vision. They are available in two main forms: Tricot or triamcinolone acetonide. This is a steroid injection given directly inside the eye. Approximate cost is 7,000. Second is Ozurdex or dexamethasone implant. This is a biodegradable implant, meaning it slowly releases the medicine over time. The advantage is that it stays inside the eye for 3 to 4 months, so repeated injections are not required frequently. Approximate cost is Rs 40,000. Third, let's talk about the scleral buckling surgery. Scleral buckling is a surgical procedure used to repair the retinal detachment. When retina gets detached or moves away from its original place, this surgery helps reattach it. During this procedure, a small band or buckle is placed around the outer wall of the eye to hold the retina in its correct position. Approximate cost is Rs 40,000 per eye. Lastly, VR surgery or pars plana vitrectomy. Pars plana vitrectomy is a type of vitreoretinal surgery. It is performed at a specific area of the eye called pars plana, which is located at the back of the eye. Inside our eye, there is a clear gel called vitreous humor. Due to the disease or injury, this gel can become cloudy or filled with blood, affecting vision. In such cases, we perform vitrectomy surgery to remove this gel. This surgery is commonly done for conditions like retinal detachment, macular hole, and diabetic retinopathy. During the procedure, the surgeon removes the vitreous gel and replaces it with gas bubble, air, or silicone oil to keep the retina in place while it heals. Approximate cost is 60,000 per eye. All these VR procedures are designed for different retinal conditions, but they share one common goal: to save and restore your eyesight. If you are facing any retinal problem, do not delay. Call our helpline number today to book your free consultation. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to ask us in comment. Our team will be happy to help you.